Hey guys, it's Josh with Navigate the Wild. Just wanted to go over a brief overview of squirrels. It's getting ready to be turkey season down here in Florida, March 18th, opening day. Between deer season and turkey season, I hunt for squirrels. So we went out last night. I was able to get 4. We try to get around 10. That's usually a really good meal. You cook all these down in the crock pot, separate the bones from the meat, and then you can do a bunch of different things with them. So hopefully we get to do some pot pie or some pastries that are wrapped with some cheese. So we'll bring that recipe to you. But right now what we have here are just 4 squirrels that are deheaded. They are gutted and they're broken down into just the muscle groups. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to use some snips. I got these at Lowe's. Great snips, Crescent Y's. They're titanium coated, really sharp. I carry them in my chest rig, and I'm able to gut them all with these, as well as take off their hands and feet. And I'm going to show you how to break these down real quick. So in the field, and we'll do a video on how to skin these. I'm still getting good at that. I'm not the best, but we do the tail method where you make an incision at the base of the tail, and then you pull it off. To be completely transparent, I tried with all 4 of these last night. I did 1 right. The other 3, I didn't do so good. But what we're going to do now is we're going to break down these squirrels. So I've got these squirrels gutted. There's really no meat in this rib cage, okay? Anatomy is just so interesting because regardless of how big or small the animal is, it all kind of stays the same. A squirrel's heart is super, super tiny. It just blows my mind how cool God is with all his design. But what we're going to do here is we're going to break this down. There's really no meat in the rib cage, so we're going to remove that. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take our snips and we're going to cut out the thighs. Okay, these are the back hams, and back hams are just so cool. As you can see, just the muscle group, a little bit of hair. We clean this up later, but just the muscle group there, really cool. We're going to take this thigh off as well. There you go. So now you've got your 2 thighs, and then right here where the rib cage breaks, we're going to snip this off because there's really no meat. So now we've got a nice piece of meat here, almost like back straps on a deer, tenderloins on a deer. And we'll clean all this at a later date. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come right in here and we're going to take the shoulders off. Nice little shoulder there. Okay, nice meat. Same thing here, right up there. There we go. Boom, nice shoulder. So now you've got 5 pieces here. 2 hams, 2 shoulders, and a midsection. And this can get thrown to the dogs or it can get tossed.